My brother, I knocked him out cold. Man, shut up, dude. Just gambled it, bro. Dude, somebody please help me, bro. Dude, somebody please fucking help.
Hey Austin, I know you like being weird, but if we could dial the weird back a little bit, it would be appreciated.
Donnie Doe's good. No, let's not do that one. How many vapes a day do I smoke? Approximately 27.4574362. Pretty crazy. Oh. 47.3 vapes with 6 times turbo. You can pop it like a cigar too. Are you the scat man? I am the scat man. I am the scat man. Let's listen to scat man. We do Greek roulette, why not? Let's just I don't even want to gamble right now, but I will. I don't know, call him, give him a call. He's doing good, man. That's not my responsibility either. No thoughts, just vibe. Yep. 0. Give me a 0. Give me a 0. Come on, give me that 0, buddy. Come on. Oh, that's a black though. We take it. We take that. Woo! It was going towards 0 too.
But what you don't know, I'm gonna tell you right now that the stutter and the scat is the same thing. Yo, I'm the scat man.
50 red. Actually, let's get out of here.
I'm the scat man. Why should we be pleasing any politician using to try to change the seasons?
Let's just go all in on something.
The condition insults my intuition and it only makes me crazy and a hard like wood. Everybody stutters one way or the other, so check out my message to you. As a matter of fact, don't let nothing hold you back. If the scat man can do it, brother, so can you. I'm the
scat man. Let's try this, I guess. If I lose, I lose. We'll get on RuneScape, dude. Alright, here we go. Come on. That's a stand. Come on. Stand that. Oh, baby! Let's fucking go. Beautiful. I'm the scat man. Come on. Oh, baby. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Beautiful. Shall I triple check it? No. Do 600.
Where's the scat man?
Oh, baby. I'm winning a lot. Holy shit. I just ran that shit up. Ooh, I needed that. Come on. Oh, I won again. Holy shit, I just ran that shit up.
We can do it. Take your time. We can do it.
Oh, I should have said that.
We can do it. Take your time. We can do it. You know that I've been looking out terminally hip and you're seeing me calling it again. We can.
Oh, I got a blackjack, dude. Let's fucking go. How much do I have now? Holy shit. Let's fucking go.
Acceptance is the answer, page 4.
What's 1,000 here? Is that what you do? Oh, okay. This song's so funny, dude. Got 9 versus 10. Hit that. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh.
Take your time. We can do it. Take your time. We can do.
Oh, I got a side bet of 550. That's a straight. Almost a straight flush. Look at that. Hit that. Oh! Let's go, guys. Let's fucking go, dude. I just ran this shit up, dude. Holy shit.
Purgatory, check out my soul. I'm a legend in my own time, legend in my own mind. The blood is in the jug and reality is setting in. The pink cloud is wearing thin. The girls are looking good, but I'm broke.
Here we go.
Hey, Tommy, looking good. Got a tan. Feeling better. Heard you reading chapter 5. You know how to stay alive every morning.
No, I should have stood that.
Share, we care. Check out.
I would have won. Damn. Sorry, we'll get it back.
Take your time. We can do it.
Double that. All in.
Take your time.
Oh, come on.
We can do.
No. Oh, well. It's okay. All right, let's go play some RuneScape. It's okay. You guys ready for some RuneScape? Let's go to RuneScape. Hold on.
Take your time.
Take your time.
We can do it. Take your time. We can do.
Any mods out there? Oh, thank you. I see you, Courtney. Thank you, Courtney. Thank you, Bryson. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much, guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you, guys. Seriously, for helping me. Seriously, thank you. You guys are awesome. What am I doing here? I need to go. Look cute, boss. I look however I want to look, man. You know what I mean? And you're also banned. Louisa J. Bird, you're banned. I don't want to look cute. You know, I lost. Oh my God. It's the end of the world, guys. It's the end of the world. I tried to make enough to... Anyways. Whatever, dude. Be what you call you. Be what they call you.
Take your time. We can do it.
It's a big old dick for rent. It's a big old dick for rent. It's a big old cock for rent. It's a big old cock for rent, bitch. Cock for rent. She goes. Listen, she goes like this. Listen, guys. Listen, I'm streaming in front of 300 people. She goes. No, I'm like, you're out. What the fuck, bitch? What have I done wrong to you? You fucking dumb bitch. Shut the fuck up.